Do you know our Milky Way galaxy probably has a black hole? So, what does it mean? Is it growing day by day? And one day it will reach to the Earth? Let's find out. Black hole, a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. Since no light can get out of it, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. It is possible for mass to be squeezed into an infinitely small point, which makes space-time around it bend so that nothing, not even massless photons of light, could escape its curvature. Are black holes big? They can be big or small. They can be as small as just one atom, and they can be as much bigger that 1 million suns can fit it in together. Even the smallest black hole have the mass of a large mountain. The largest black holes are called supermassive. The supermassive black hole at the center of Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that could hold a few millions Earth. Black holes are formed when stars die or collapses. When this happens, it causes a supernova. With so much mass in a confined volume, the collective force of gravity overcomes the rule that usually keeps the building blocks of atoms from occupying the same space. All this density creates a black hole. There are four types of black holes: stellar, intermediate, supermassive, and miniature. Each black hole is different from the other. No matter their starting size, black holes can grow throughout their lives, slurping gas and dust from any objects that creep too close. Are black holes dangerous and can destroy Earth? Don't worry, Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. Even if a black hole the same as the sun were to take the place of the sun, Earth will still would not fall in. The black hole would have the same gravity as the sun. Earth and other planets would orbit the black hole as they orbit the sun now. But still, don't worry, sun will never turn into a black hole. The sun is not a big enough star to make a black hole. Since black holes can swallow lights, astronomers don't dare, or even if they dare, they can't spot them directly like they do the many cosmic objects in the sky. So, how do we know about the existence of black hole and where they exist? Black holes' intense gravity tugs on any surrounding objects. Astronomers use these erratic movements to infer the presence of the black hole that lurks nearby. What's inside a black hole? Is it empty? Is there nothing inside it? When you approach towards a black hole, you would start to experience the really extreme gravity. Your body starts to be stressed like a rubber, stretching to get into the black hole. where we would never see you again. Once you're in, you are stuck there, and that becomes your universe. And you'll observe that it's not empty, it's actually a lot of matter condensed into a single point. Black hole, just like its name, a mystery. Maybe we are in a black hole. This whole solar system, whole universe is in a huge black hole, and that black hole is in some other universe. It's all about theories and imagination. It's ours. So tell us what's yours.